Step 1. Take a square paper. Fold in half top to bottom.
Step 2.
Step 1. Fold both. Take a rectangular paper. Fold it in half from left to right.
Step 2.
Fold the
Step
top
1.
two.
Take a rectangular paper. Fold it in half lengthwise to make a long rectangle. Step 3. Fold the plane in half, then fold the wings down on both sides evenly. Step 4. Step 1. Take a square paper and fold it in half diagonally to form a triangle. Step 1. Take a square paper, fold it diagonally to form a triangle. Step 2.
Step 3.
Fold the
Tie a small strip in the middle to make the body and hold wings together.
Step 4.
Step 1. Take a square paper. Fold it diagonally to form a triangle. Step 2. Fold the corners outwards to form the fishtail.
Step 4. Draw eyes.
Step 1.
and decorate.
Take a square paper, fold it diagonally to form a triangle. Step 2.
Step 3.
Fold the
Cut the top tip of the triangle in a rounded shape to make petals.
Step 4.
Open
Step
it
1.
slowly.
Take a square paper. Fold it in half diagonally to make a triangle.
Step
Step
3.
2.
Fold the front corners upwards to make the frog legs. Step 4.
Press the back and see.
Step 1. Take a square paper and fold it diagonally to form a triangle. Step 2. Fold the triangle in half again to make a smaller triangle. This will help form the wings. Step 3. Fold the top corners down to make the bird's beak and shape the wings. Step 4. Flap the wings gently and see your bird fly.
Amazing work.
Step 1. Take a rectangular paper. Fold it in half lengthwise to make a long rectangle.
Step 2. Fold one corner diagonally to meet the opposite edge, making a pointed tip for the rocket.
Step 3. Roll the remaining paper around to complete the rocket body and fold edges neatly.
Step 4. Gently flick or blow your rocket and watch it fly. Great job, everyone!